Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup review. I can't believe how much makeup I've been buying lately. This is not me, but these releases are just like hot fire, so of course I need to get them. So today I'm back with a review of the ColourPop in Makeup by Shayla collection. So if you guys are interested in finding out my thoughts about this collection and a little demo, then please stay tuned. And also if you're not subscribing, don't forget to hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. So this is the look that I'm going to be doing later in the video, but I just kind of wanted to talk about this collab and show you what it entails. So I actually got the PR box, which was $75 American. It came to about $106 Canadian, and I didn't have to pay duties. Woohoo! So I was pretty pumped. Oh, also included in the $106 was the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm actually wearing that right now, and for the most part, my dark circles are controllable today. But I'm really liking that concealer. I got the color medium, so I am wearing it today. So this collection I was really pumped about because Shayla always looks fierce. She always looks great. So I was like, of course I need to do this. And also too, you know, I wanted to support my fellow Black YouTubers. So I jumped in and got this collection. So what the collection actually includes, I'm just grabbing it, it's over here. So the collection, kind of the big part of the collection is the Perception palette. So I've been using this. This is not a first impressions video. This is actually more of a review video. So in this palette, there's actually 16 colors as opposed to the 12 shadows you usually get. It also has a mirror, so praise to Shayla for like fighting for that mirror because I love my ColourPop palettes, but it's really annoying that they don't have mirrors. It drives me actually crazy. This palette is so versatile. Like, there's so many different colors. You can create day nights. Day nights? Why do I keep saying that? Day looks, night looks, bright looks, neutral looks. I've been definitely using it. Culture is a color I've been using a lot. Of course, it's a neutral color. I actually used IE, so that's what's on my lids right now. I really like Diva. It's this color right here. I even used the blue, which was pretty cool and really pretty too. So I really like this. They blend very easily. I'm not going to swatch them just because you've probably seen swatches, and if you haven't, you can just go on Instagram. That sounds like the ultimate lazy girl. But I really like this palette. It blends really easily. It does not feel like a $16 palette. It feels, or maybe it was like $20. I can't remember because I just bought this big set. But definitely has like a high-end quality feel. So I'm really glad I bought this. I don't have any regrets about that. The next thing that was part of the collection are her highlighters. So Shayla always has a pop and highlight, so she actually came through with two. So this one is called Pose, and I have it on the tip of my nose and on my side of my face right now. So this is more the rose gold highlight. It is really pretty. I'm not used to a loose pigment highlighter, so I kind of was taken out of my comfort zone with that. Looking back, like, I probably could have skipped out on the highlighters. They're really nice. So the next part of the collection is actually the lip products. So she came out with 4 lip products, which is quite a bit. This is actually my first time trying the new ColourPop Luxe lipsticks. I hadn't tried them. I haven't honestly made a ColourPop order in forever, just because of the exchange, and I was terrified of duty, because everybody seems to be paying it, but this girl didn't. So she has 3 of the lipsticks, so I believe these are the matte ones too. So Come On Sis. I probably could have skipped this color too, just because I have lots of kind of colors like this. Like, I'm just going to swatch it here. It's kind of that like dusty rose 90s color that I remember when like Kylie started to wear that color and then it just like blew up. But I have kind of a lot of those colors. This is an Ooh. I've been loving this color, and every time I wear it, I get lots of compliments. If you follow me on Instagram, JazzyFizz14, I've worn this in quite a few pictures, so it's like a really pretty like light orange nude color. I don't actually have anything like that, so I'm really happy I have that color. And what's on my lips right now is the last one, and this is in Quickie. It's just like a really nice nude. I actually don't, well, maybe the KKW cream liquid lipsticks I have are kind of like that. But I don't mind the formula. Like, of course, it's not the most longest lasting. Like, I do have to make sure I bring it with me, like when I'm going to work, but it's not drying, and I find it doesn't make your lips like gross or like crusty. So I really like that. And the final thing I probably actually could have skipped as well. And I'm not throwing shade or anything. It's just I own a lot of stuff like this. But next time I'll just have to think through my purchases more, but is the Ultra Glossy Lip in Neat Freak, and I have that on the center of my lips right now. I've never tried ColourGirl, oh my god, ColourPop's Ultra Glossy Lip, but it is pretty. It kind of just reminds me of the Tarte one I have, the lip shiny paint. I don't know what it's called, but I just used this for the first time today, so I don't really have a great opinion on it. But that was kind of everything that was in her collection. Like I said, I'm really proud of her, and I think she did a really good job curating this collection because there's lots of range here. So without further ado, we're just going to go into the demo. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right into the demo here. I absolutely have no idea what kind of look I want to do. I don't know what I'm wearing today. So great start, but of course I have baked my under eye just in case there is a bit of fallout. I have been using this palette though, and I don't really notice there has been a lot of fallout. So pumped. This has a mirror, like ColourPop, great job with that. Shayla, you too? Obviously you, Shayla. So I'm going to start in my crease with Culture. Love that. So it's just a nice light brown. Gonna use a little bit of this Revenge. Gonna blend it into my crease a little bit more. Every time I hear Revenge, I always think about like Drake's song, I'm out here looking for revenge. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean this up. Okay, gonna use a little bit of Played Out just to deepen it, make it a little bit more dramatic. Gonna switch brushes. So Played Out is this dark brown color. I'm liking where this is going. I think it looks nice. I was kind of debating like using one of these beautiful shimmers, like these kind of like warm toned ones, like these three, but I haven't used IE yet, so the green one, and I feel like it's an olive kind of day for me, so let's try this. I actually love olive eyeshadows on my eyes. I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Just gonna use this pencil the other side, and I'm actually going to put a bit of this like gold in my inner corner. In this part of This is the eye look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Of course, I'm not like the master of eyeshadow, but I think it looks really pretty. There's no fallout. These were really easy to blend. This palette, like, I just can't wait. You can see I've already dug into a few of the colors, but Oh, I actually forgot. I'm going to do my under eye as well. How does one forget that? So I'm actually just going to use this Culture color again. Then I'm probably actually going to use Revenge again and just blend it in. Okay, I think that looks pretty. Love this palette, huge fan of it. Easy to blend, lots of variety. You can do a day night, you can do a day night. You can do a day look, you can do a night look. Very easy to blend, has a mirror. Shayla, you blew it out of the park with this palette. Really happy I bought it. Especially too, like, I'm a cheap person. Like, I'm not always running out to buy the newest makeup. Sorry, I was out of focus there. So I'm not always running out to buy like the newest makeup products. So I'm going to use some of the highlight. So I decided to use Boomin'. So I'm just using this crown brush. It's like a duo fiber brush. I find it works well picking it up. Okay, I put this on the other day and I was like, whoa, I put way too much on. I was glowing past the gods. Like, it was pretty crazy. Okay, so I'm just going to put this here. Oh, maybe I haven't gotten enough. I'm not like... There I go. You can see it now. I'm going to put some on the tip of my nose. Here. It's picking up on my nose, but not as much. Actually, I don't think this is Boomin'. This is actually Pose. I meant to use Boomin'. But I put Pose in Boomin's box. Stupid of me. Okay, so a little goes a long way with this highlighter. I usually don't use like loose pigment highlighters, so this is kind of taking me out of my comfort zone. In terms of a lip product, I think I'm going to use the more nudie one. So I'm going to use Quickie. I like this lip color. I think it really balances out the other look. I'm just running errands today, so the eye look is a bit dramatic, so I'm kind of glad we have this lip look, or this neutral lip that's going to take it back a little bit. I really like this nude. I think it is like an actual nude for my skin tone. Sometimes I have nude colors and they're not. I'm actually going to use this. I haven't used it yet. I've used some of these products, so this is kind of like a review unboxing, but not a first impressions because I've used everything before. I haven't tried this, the Ultra Glossy Lip. I haven't actually tried any of their Ultra Glossy products or any of their lip glosses, to be honest. This kind of reminds me of the Tarte product. I hope it's a little bit better though than that. Doesn't smell. The Tarte one smells, that's why I was smelling it. So I'm just going to put this on the center of my lips. I feel like guilty. I'm like staining the applicator. Whoa, grabbed too much. I think it gives it now that nice glossy finish. So I'm actually just going to do the rest of my makeup. So put a little bit of eyeliner on, put my mascara, and I will be back with my final comments about these products. Okay, so this is the final look. Of course, I took my cat ears off. But I just did like a little bit of liner and then put my mascara on. Of course, took away the powder. But I'm really happy with these products. I do like them all. Like I said earlier in the video, there's some I probably could have done without, but I was scared it was going to sell out. It did just restock again, but this collection is going hot, so that's why I just bought the PR kit. Like, I wanted to make sure I had it. But my favorite things out of the collection would probably be this Ooh lipstick and also the palette. Those would definitely be my top 2 faves. So let me know if you guys have tried this Shayla collection, what has caught your eye for the collection. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like it, tell your friends, and I thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.